Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Fiesta key battery. First, ensure you have the correct key type, as some variations exist. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. These are common items, readily available at most electronic stores or supermarkets. Having these tools ready makes the process quick and easy, so let's get started right away. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment point. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic casing can be delicate. Once open, you'll see the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This ensures you install the new battery correctly. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all internal components are properly seated. Press the halves firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Now, it's time to test your newly re-energized key. Try locking and unlocking your Ford Fiesta to confirm everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.